Welcome, culinary explorers, and thank you for choosing this channel as your guide to gastronomic delights. Before we embark on this journey, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious content. Now fasten your apron strings and sharpen your knives as we dive into a world of flavors with our top 10 list of easy dishes to make. Our first dish is a classic spaghetti aglio e olio. With just 6 ingredients: spaghetti, 4 cloves of garlic, half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, salt, and parsley, you can whip up this Italian classic in no time. Let's walk you through it. Step 1. Start by boiling your spaghetti in salted water until it's al dente. Step 2. Meanwhile, mince your garlic cloves finely. Step 3. Heat your extra virgin olive oil in a large pan. Add the minced garlic and red pepper flakes, sautéing them gently until the garlic is golden brown. Step 4. Spaghetti becomes ready. Don't drain it completely. Save about a cup of pasta water. Step 5. Add the spaghetti to your pan, along with the saved pasta water. Mix everything well so that the spaghetti is fully coated in the garlic and oil mixture. Step 6. Finally, garnish with chopped parsley. Add salt to taste, and your spaghetti aglio e olio is ready to serve. Enjoy your Italian classic. Now let's dive into the process of crafting a staple of Mexican cuisine, guacamole. The ingredients you'll need are 2 ripe avocados, half a red onion, 2 Roma tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of fresh cilantro, 1 juiced lime, and a dash of kosher salt. Here's your step-by-step guide. Step 1. Begin by peeling and pitting the ripe avocados and mashing them in a bowl. Step 2. Dice your half red onion and 2 Roma tomatoes. Step 3. Mix these into your mashed avocado. Step 4. Then finally chop up your fresh cilantro and add it to the bowl. Step 5. Squeeze the juice from 1 fresh lime into the mix. Step 6. Sprinkle a dash of kosher salt for added flavor. Step 7. Stir all of your ingredients together until well combined. And there you have it, your homemade delicious guacamole is ready to serve. Enjoy. Third on our list is a warm and comforting chicken noodle soup. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you make it. Step 1. Start with 2 chicken breasts, 4 carrots, 4 stalks of celery, 1 large onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Step 2. Add the chicken breasts to a large pot and just cover water. Bring to a simmer and let it cook until the chicken is tender and fully cooked. Step 3. While the chicken is simmering, chop your carrots, celery, and onion. Peel and mince your garlic and set all these ingredients aside. Step 4. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the pot and let it cool. Reserve the 5. In the same pot, add 8 cups of chicken broth and bring to a simmer. Step 6. Add your chopped vegetables and garlic to the simmering broth. Let it cook until they are tender. Step 7. While the vegetables are cooking, shred the cooled chicken into bite-sized pieces. Step 8. Add the shredded chicken back into the pot. Step 9. Stir in half a cup of parsley and 8 ounces of egg noodles. Step 10. Let the soup cook until the noodles are tender, stirring occasionally. And there you have it, a warm and comforting chicken noodle soup. Enjoy. Fourth, we're journeying to the Middle East with a creamy hummus. To prepare this dish, you'll need a can of chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 clove of garlic, 2 tablespoons of tahini, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and salt to taste. Let me guide you step by step in preparing it. 1. Start by draining and rinsing the chickpeas. 2. Toss them into your food processor along with the fresh lemon juice. 3. Add your peeled garlic clove to the mix. 4. Then pour in the tahini. This ingredient is critical for a smooth, buttery texture. 5. Drizzle in the olive oil while the processor is running. 6. Add salt to taste, remembering that it's always easier to add more later than to remove it. 7. Once you have all your ingredients in, blend them until you reach a smooth, creamy consistency. And voila, your homemade creamy hummus is ready. Enjoy this Middle Eastern delight. Moving on to our 5th dish, the French classic Ratatouille. Here's how to create this masterpiece. Start by gathering your ingredients: 2 eggplants, 2 zucchinis, 2 bell peppers, 1 onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 4 ripe tomatoes, and a bunch of fresh basil. Step 1. Begin with washing and chopping all the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Step 2. In a deep pan, sauté the onion and garlic until they become translucent. Step 3. Add bell peppers to the pan and cook until they are soft and fragrant. Step 4. Incorporate the zucchinis next, stirring often. Step 5. Add the eggplants and tomatoes, mix well, and let everything simmer on medium heat until the vegetables are well incorporated and tender. Step 6. Add the basil leaves, salt and pepper to taste. Stir and let it simmer for a few more minutes. And there you have it, a traditional French ratatouille. Our sixth dish embarks us on a culinary journey to Asia with a straightforward fried rice recipe. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to prepare it. Start by gathering your ingredients. 3 cups of cooked rice, 1 cup of frozen mixed vegetables, 2 whisked eggs, half a cup of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Step 1. Warm a large pan or wok over medium heat. Once heated, add your sesame oil. Step 2. Toss in your frozen mixed vegetables. Stir and cook them until they're defrosted and heated through. Step 3. Make some room in the pan and add the whisked eggs. Scramble them and mix with the vegetables. Step 4. Stir in the cooked rice, ensuring it's fully integrated with the vegetables and eggs. Step 5. Pour in your soy sauce and mix everything together well, ensuring the sauce is evenly distributed. And voila! Your simple yet delicious Asian fried rice is ready to tantalize your taste buds. Coming in at number 7 is the wholesome beef stew. Here's how you prepare it. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 pounds of beef, 4 carrots, 4 celery stalks, 1 large onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 can of tomato paste, and 4 cups of beef broth. Step 2. First, chop your vegetables and set them aside. Meanwhile, start by browning the beef in a large pot or Dutch oven. Step 3. Once the beef is browned, remove it from the pot and set it aside. In the same pot, sauté the garlic, onion, celery, and carrots until they are tender. Step 4. Return the browned beef to the pot and stir in the tomato paste. Mix everything together until the ingredients are well coated. Step 5. Finally, pour in the beef broth, bring the stew to a simmer and let it cook for about 2 hours or until the beef is tender. And there you have it, a full-bodied, delicious beef stew. 8th, we're moving forward to making a tangy Greek tzatziki. Let's go step by step. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 grated cucumber, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of fresh dill, and salt to taste. Step 1. Begin with the Greek yogurt. Place it in a bowl. Step 2. Take your cucumber, grate it, and ensure you squeeze out the excess water. Add this to the bowl with yogurt. Step 3. Now peel and finely chop the 2 cloves of garlic and add them to the yogurt and cucumber mixture. Step 4. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice for a bit of tang. Step 5. Chop your fresh dill and mix it into the bowl. Step 6. Finally, add salt to your taste, stir everything until well combined, and just like that, your tangy Greek tzatziki is ready to be served. First, we will be making a deliciously creamy mac and cheese. You'll need the following ingredients: 8 ounces of macaroni, 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 3 cups of milk, a 1/4 cup of butter, and 2½ tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now let's get to the step-by-step guide. First, cook the macaroni in a large pot of boiling water until al dente, then drain. In a separate pot, melt the butter over medium heat, then stir in the flour until it forms a paste. Gradually pour in the milk, whisking continuously until the mixture thickens. Add the cheddar and Parmesan cheeses to the pot and stir until they're fully melted and the sauce is smooth. Mix in the cooked macaroni, ensuring every piece is coated in the delectable cheese sauce. And there you have it, a creamy mac and cheese ready to serve. Enjoy. Well, let's not just stop at introducing our 10th and final dish, the cherished chocolate chip cookies. Let's dive right into how to bake them to sweet perfection. Here's the step-by-step guide you've been waiting for. 1. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking, a cup of unsalted butter, half a cup of granulated sugar, a cup of light brown sugar, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and 2 cups of semi-sweet and/or milk chocolate chips. 2. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line your baking sheets with parchment paper. 3. In a bowl, whisk together your flour and baking soda, set for later. 4. In a large bowl, combine your softened unsalted butter, granulated sugar, and light brown sugar. Beat them together until they're smooth and creamy. 5. Into your butter-sugar mixture, add the salt and vanilla extract. Beat to combine. 6. Gradually add your flour mixture into the butter-sugar mixture, beating on low until just combined. 7. Stir in your chocolate chips. 8. Drop heaping tablespoonfuls of the dough about 2 inches on your baking sheets. 9. Bake until cookies are golden around the edges but still soft in the center, about 8 to 10 minutes. 10. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheets for 2 minutes, then move them to wire racks to cool completely. And that's it. Savor your perfectly baked chocolate chip cookies. A sweet ending to our list indeed. Enjoy baking. And there you have it, 10 delectable dishes you can easily prepare at home. Remember, cooking is an art, and you are the artist. So don't be afraid to experiment and make these recipes your own. Keep exploring, keep cooking, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. Until next time, bon appétit.